Hello student, in this class we learn extended primitive. Click on the standard primitive and choose extended primitive. The creation method of extended primitive is same as standard primitive. First I choose this Hydra tool and click and drag. A pyramid type shape is created on the viewport. Right click to exit this tool. Now I go to modify section and check the parameters of this Hydra. First parameter of Hydra tool is families. These are 5 different families. By clicking on these radio buttons, you can change like this, and shape also change like this. And these are some parameters P and Q. These are related to these families. If you select any family like this and change the parameter like this, so shape will change like this. If you fill this P value zero point 0.3, so it look like a football. If you want to learn how to create football by using Hydra, you can check the description. Link is available there. So you can watch that tutorial also. And the other things that you can create decorative lights by using these Hydra tools like this. And the other parameter of Hydra is related to axis scaling. By clicking and by changing these values, you can modify the basic shapes like this. If the parameter is linked with the shape, sometimes it's not linked, like P parameter is not linked with the shape. And the other parameter is radius. By clicking and dragging, you can increase the size of this shape. So these are all parameters of this Hydra. Now I create another object. Go to create button and choose chamfer box. It's like a box object. First click and drag and create a base and then provide height. But the third parameter in this chamfer box is fillet. By creating this fillet, some smoothness is on the corner like this. So you can change the fillet value and the segment of fillet by choosing these parameters. I go to modify section and change the fillet value like this. If you want to make the little sharp like this, and these are some other segments like other standard primitive. You can create like this couch by using chamfer box, and the parameter of this chamfer box is similar to box length, width, and height, but only the difference is fillet. You can change the smoothness of corners like this. Third tool is oil tank. It's similar to slender. First create a base. So first parameter is radius, then provide height, and the third parameter is cap height like this. So it's look like a capsule. Go to modify section and change the radius like this, height, and cap height. You can also modify the cap height. Oil tank has some other parameters like blend. You can provide some smoothness on the corner like this. And these are side. These are similar to other standard primitive. It's create a smooth shape, and the height segments you can increase if you require. And slice from and to options are similar to standard primitive. We already discussed about these tools. Next tool is spindle. Click and drag, create a base like oil tank, and then provide height. And the next parameter is cap height, but it's little bit sharp. Right click for exit this tool like this. Go to modify section and change the cap height like this, and height I increase little bit so it's look similar. And radius you can also change, and the blend option is also available here. You can provide some smoothness, side, and the cap segment. Okay, and the height segment.